Okay, so everyone read the first 3 chapters. Anybody read more than that? One page more? That's reasonable. Nobody found it hard to stop?
I found it hard to read on the thing.
Hard to read on the screen? Yeah.
I signed it out from the library, but it was gone. That's what I tried too, and it was already gone.
Last year I tried printing the first couple of chapters because I have it on a file that I could print it, right? But printing 15 copies of 15 pages, I got in kind of trouble for wasting paper for that. So we're stuck with reading it on a screen unless you can, take it out from a library. The town library may still have copies. My copy disappeared last year also, so I don't even have a paper copy anymore either. However, it occurs to me that all of you probably have relationships with other English teachers down this hallway or in the building, and there's a very, very high chance that one of them might have a copy you can borrow as well. So certainly read it on paper if you can. It's always better. It's easier on the eyes and it's just more enjoyable. But we do what we have to. I will say that the other things that we're reading this year are mostly quite a bit shorter, at least the things that I don't have in paper form for you. So we'll read Rosencrantz and Guildenstern Are Dead, for example, and which Ibsen play is it? A Doll's House, and A Doll's House that we're reading. I have both of those in book form that I can lend to you so you can read them the old-fashioned way with a book in your lap. And this is going to bother me because I keep wanting to put my hands in my pockets. So the other things that we are reading are either poetry or short stories where you're not staring at a screen for so long scrolling through pages and pages. So it should be okay. This is the one that is the worst for legibility, I guess. So I am trying to acquire a classroom set of The Great Gatsby that I could just keep in here. But as you might imagine, our school budgets and department budgets are stretched a little bit thin this year. Any year really, but particularly this year. So anyways.